The most important piece of kitchen equipment is a really nice sharp knife. So there's a few chopping guides that I have. One is the cross chop. So I put the knife on the board, put your fingers on the top, and then just kind of like work the knife, and you can like demolish a lot of things with the cross chop. The other one is the rock chop. Make your hand like a little claw, and your knife should just roll around your knuckle like that, and see how I miss my finger? Yeah, and your knuckles keep you protected. And then there's the tap chop. So knuckles again, and then the knife just goes up and down on the knuckle. The tap chop is one of my favorites. So let's cut an onion together. A few slices like that, and that's the tap chop. And then the rock chop to get your dice. So those are a few basic knife skills. So next time you want to spoil yourself, go get a nice sharp knife and it'll make cooking way more fun.